The task can be added from the equipment sheet and contains the following information: a description, a start date and an end date, or a statement that it lasted all day, the name of the people related to the task or a group of users gathered under a tag. For example, if I want to add all the electromechanics, I can add all of them in my task by clicking on the electromechanics tag so that it can receive a notification in the application. It is possible to tag operations, preventive, electrical, mechanical, and so on, as well as adding checklists to tasks, for example, a list of OK, not OK, or values of counters, for example. You finally have the possibility to notify this task by email at the time of its creation and finalization. Once the task is created, you will find all this information in its file. If this task is assigned to a maintenance manager, he or she will be able to edit it at any time or send it to other technicians. So from the moment I create a task, everyone is able to see it in their newsfeed and to access the basic information: who created the task, who worked on it, at what time, and which people were associated with it. The activities make it possible to follow the progress of the tasks and to be able to communicate about what has been done. They can be added from the task page. They include a description, such as a measured counter reading, a spare part output, as well as the duration of the intervention. It's possible to add documents, audio files, images, videos, PDF, associated with the intervention. Technicians working on the smartphones can use the voice command feature and thus provide more information. This allows them to be more precise and to improve teams management.